Okay, we've got a hyperbola to graph. Now, if we've got f of x equals 1 on x take 2 plus 1, well, the asymptotes, we look at this one and we look at this one. So x equals, if you put in positive 2, then you wouldn't be able to graph this, and y will never come out as positive 1. So it doesn't matter what you put on the bottom here, it will always be something, it can't be 0. So that's where I got those answers. Okay, let's do the intercepts. For the y-intercept, let x equal 0. So I've got y equals 1 on 0, take 2 plus 1. So negative half plus 1, positive a half. X-intercept, let y equal 0. So I've got 0 equals 1 on x, take 2 plus 1. So negative 1 equals x, take 2. So 1 on x, take 2. So x take 2 equals negative 1. So x equals negative 1 plus 2, positive 1. And let's graph. Let's graph well. Okay, I'm going to put in lines for my asymptotes. So positive 2 and positive 1. I'm going to put in my intercepts. So a half and 1. So this one's going to come around that way. Because it was there, if you track this up diagonally, it'll end up there. So this one's going to come around here and that. This one's going to come around here and kind of trail off that way. Okay, so that's f of x, yeah? Now, if I want to draw the absolute value of f of x, then we're happy with everything that was in the positives, so I'm happy with that bit. I'm definitely happy with all of this. But anything that went negative bounces up. So it's going to go up that way. Just like this one went down that way. Arrows, arrows. Okay. That wasn't too hard. The hard bit, as always, is the function of the absolute value of x. So this is where you're happy with everything that's in the positive for x. So I'm happy with that, I'm happy with that. But it kind of gets reflected as a mirror image. So we're now going to have an asymptote at negative 2 instead of positive, as well as positive 2. So this one's going to bounce around. This is going to be negative 1. And we're going to have it coming around here. And this point will be, this one was 3, 2. So this one will be negative 3, 2. It'll be like that. Oh, and don't do this one.